Your system is delivered to you activated and install ready. Before you start the installation, take the time to unbox the system and take inventory of your labeled items, noting if anything is missing. Some items may be identical in appearance, so please be sure to follow placement suggestions. Place the security hub near your home router. Using the Ethernet cable provided, connect your router to the available Ethernet port on the back of the security hub. Plug the power cord into the nearest non-switched or non-GFI outlet. It's a good idea to remove the outlet's center screw and anchor the power adapter to the plug and avoid power interruptions. Upon power-up, look for the top LED lights to illuminate to ensure successful operation. The bottom LED light may flash for 30 to 60 seconds. If any of the mentioned lights do not illuminate, notify your security provider for assistance. The security system has 3 different types of keypads that allow you to interact with your security system in different ways based on your lifestyle. Please follow the directions for the keypad included in your kit. The wireless keypad, which is typically installed near an exit or entryway, is used to control the security system and the display system status. The wireless keypad has easy-to-use mounting tape to keep it firmly in the desired location. The display area provides full system status information. Press the icon or button that looks like a person inside the home. The system will arm stay and all door and window sensors will be activated, leaving the interior motion detectors unarmed. This then allows you to move within the home without triggering the alarm. If you press the icon button that looks like a person leaving home, it will arm the system to away and all sensors will be active. Upon returning home, you will have 45 seconds to enter and use your code to disarm the system. The icon that looks like a hub will report any troubled condition and give you the status of all your sensors. Power status, arming status, has an inverted color background when armed. When installing the door sensors, give attention to their labeling. Place them in the appropriate locations. Typical installation places them on non-hinged sides of the door in the upper corner. First, clean the surface, then apply the mounting tape to the back of each sensor. Install the larger sensor on the door frame and the smaller magnet on the door. After mounting, test the sensor by opening and closing the door while listening for the chime. The motion detectors should be mounted 7 feet above the floor with the lens facing down. They do not detect motion through doors or walls, so install it in an open area and avoid heating and cooling vents. The motion detectors also use a special mounting tape for easy application. Apply even pressure for approximately 15 seconds when mounting. Download the app, install it on your mobile phone, and log in using the credentials provided for you. The app can be used to arm, disarm, and check the zone status and event of your security system. Finally, test your system by verifying operation of your sensors. Open and close protected doors and windows, and listen for the chime with each action.